Turning your engine, SNJA386. Turning good. The front engines look as well, as you can see, no damage. Compressor looks good. Altimeter look nice, no damage, no break. And on this side, engines looks good. All pipes inside looks good. Gearbox look as well, as you can see, no damage, no break. On this side, engines look nice. All windows in good conditions, no water. And on the top, as you can see, plastic cover looks good, no damage, no break. All connectors look nice. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine, SNJA386.